Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Mechanic, the channel where we keep things clear, simple, and straight to the point, ensuring your car is always in top-notch condition. Today, we're steering our focus towards a crucial part of your vehicle's suspension system, the strut mount. If you're in for a smooth ride, you won't want to miss this. So hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. With that said, buckle up, and let's get started. Today we're talking about a crucial component in your vehicle's suspension system, the strut mount. This unsung hero connects the strut, which is a core part of your car's suspension, directly to the vehicle's chassis. Its job? To absorb shock, reduce noise, and ensure a smooth ride. Think of it as a buffer, cushioning the blows of those potholes and speed bumps. Like any other car part, strut mounts can wear out over time, leading to a handful of symptoms that you should never ignore. Let's break down the most common signs that indicate your strut mount might be in need of attention. First off, keep your ears open. If your car starts to make unusual noises, particularly clunking or rattling sounds from the front when going over bumps or turning, it could be a clear sign that your strut mounts are on their way out. It's like your car is trying to tell you something, so don't ignore it. Next, let's talk about steering. A strut mount that's past its prime can affect your car's handling. If you notice that the steering feels less responsive, or even that there's a popping sensation when you turn the wheel, it could be your strut mount sending you a distress signal. It's like trying to steer a boat on dry land. It's not going to respond as you expect. Another symptom to be on the lookout for is uneven tire wear. If your strut mounts are in bad shape, they can cause your tires to wear unevenly. This not only leads to premature replacement of your tires, but can also compromise your safety on the road. It's like walking around with one shoe sole thinner than the other. You're bound to notice something is off. Vibrations through the steering wheel can also point to a failing strut mount. It's not just an annoying tremor, it's your car's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Ignoring this could lead to more serious issues down the road, so it's best to get it checked out sooner rather than later. Lastly, during routine checks or tire changes, take a moment to inspect the strut mounts. If you notice any visible damage or wear, it's a pretty clear indication that they need some attention. It's like seeing a crack in your house's foundation. You wouldn't just shrug that off, would you? If you're doing a routine check on your vehicle or getting your tires changed, take a moment to inspect the strut mounts for any signs of damage or wear. Now, while these symptoms can give you a good indication that something might be wrong, accurately diagnosing car issues can sometimes be tricky. That's where an OBD2 scanner comes in. This handy tool connects directly to your vehicle's computer, providing you with real-time data and error codes. It's like having your own personal mechanic in your pocket. I've personally found this portable OBD2 scanner to be incredibly reliable and user-friendly. It's a small investment that can save you a ton of time and money in the long run. I've linked it in the description for you to check out. As we wrap up today's video, remember, if you start noticing any of these symptoms, don't wait. Get your car checked out as soon as possible to ensure a safe and smooth ride. And remember, subscribe to Honest Mechanic for more helpful car maintenance tips and tricks.